I know you're definitely wondering where I am. Chill, let me break down the gist for you. So, the month of August has been dedicated to telling the beautiful and unique story of 042. In Afia TV, we tagged it Made in 042. And in that spirit of celebrating our dear old 042, we are exploring the town. Last week, we were somewhere else. And this week, we are in a different location. Just by looking at the background and seeing the things that are here, you can easily tell that this is a different place. So tonight, we are broadcasting live from Village Bistro, located in the heart of the town for another spectacular edition of the show called Nka. Yesterday, I told you all something. I said that today we've got something very, very, very huge up our sleeves. And you can only catch up with it if you keep a date with us on the show today. A big kudos. A big cheers to those of you that adhered to my simple instructions. My name is Rochelle, and of course, I'm going to be your host on the show tonight. But before we get started with everything that we've got on the show today, I've got this assignment to deal with. Let's go on a short break. When we come back, everything that we've got in store for you will definitely come your way. All right, welcome back. You are still watching Nka right here on Afia TV. Yes, we broadcast live on DSTV channel 254 and of course on GoTV channel 17. So today we are doing something extraordinary, all because it's the month that we are celebrating 042. We did it in June for Aba, and this month of August is for 042. So all we do this period is just to tell you everything that you need to know about Enugu and also get to explore the town together with you. Tonight, we are live at a Village Bistro located here in 042. The heart of 042. Now, before I go ahead and introduce my awesome I'm very weird guest on the show today, I want to tell you more about Village Bistro. Village Bistro is the best spot. If you want to have a great time, a quality time, you want to enjoy yourself, you are looking for an environment that is calm, cool, to relax, Village Bistro is that place. I don't know if you've been here before, but anytime you get to visit here, I've got one suggestion that I want to make for you. Try their ofada rice and sauce. Hey, you are definitely going to come back asking for more. Their cuisine is top notch. What is it? The environment. It has this African and traditional touch. So when you walk in here, you know that feeling, oh, I'm in my village having fun. So is it local dishes? What is it? Just visit a Village Bistro and you are going to have the best of it all. Let's not even talk about their customer service. You can't get it any other place. Like, this is just the place that everything happens. So if you get to visit this town, please ensure that you visit Village Bistro. It's just a different for a reason. And if you're also here in Enugu, do not forget that this should be the number one place when you think about going out, having a good time all by yourself, with your loved ones, with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your side hand, and your side chick. Just think about a Village Bistro. Okay, my name still remains Rochelle, and it's time for us to, to get proper with everything that we've got for you on the show today. While I was talking before, I said that I have a very awesome and a bit weird guest on the show today. I'm going to be explaining in details why the both of them are weird. They are men. So the first person is someone that troubles me a whole lot. Our story did not start today, but I just pray that the Holy Spirit is going to give me the energy to curtail his, I don't want to use the word madness, but permit me. Let me use that word madness. He's a very funny person. You would love to meet him. And the second person came all the way from a cave. Please tell me, how many caves have you seen or do you know exist here in 042 or even outside 042? So these are the very awesome yet weird human beings that I've got on the show today. So let me go ahead and introduce them so you know what I am thinking about. Now, the first person I'm going to be introducing is someone that is dressed in a very different way. Like, there's no how he would pass you tonight and you won't turn twice to look at him and, to check if you are not dreaming, hallucinating, or something. So I've got a performing artist and also a multi-instrumentalist with me right here in the Village Bistro. His name is Gerald Eze. When it comes to Oja and flute, he is Baba. Good evening, Gerald.
Good evening.
I know you're going to come for me. Just hold on.
You found the water I came from the cave. That's fine.
But you told me, and haven't you heard that there are certain things you do not discuss with a broadcaster? Because either you switch on your radio and you hear, I know someone that knows someone that knows someone.
But I didn't tell you to tell me.
And that's my job now. Okay.
Well, I came from the cave.
You came from the cave. Okay, you should tell us where exactly that cave is located, because I personally, I want to visit there and see what life is like in the cave. So there's another gentleman, seated close to him that just smiling anyhow. He's waiting for time to come, so he will review himself, like, just show us who exactly he is. So this person, I don't know, like, he does so many things. He is an on-air personality. He is an MC. He is a comedian. I will tell you more of other things that he does. His name is Martin Nebo, but he is popularly known as MC4. What's up, MC4?
I call me Martin Nebo. I say, you don't transfer money for me before. But the only way you go know person full name. Now wait, not all these guys say meet girl for street. Say, what's your name? My name is Pretty Hide and Sell Sammy. Ask am for account number. You go hear Obodo Chinwe Nnachi.
Okay, and that Obodo reminds me of something, but let's not go there. Let's not go there. So how are you feeling tonight, MC4?
Yeah, I'm feeling. If I tell us how they feel now, I feel like say, I leave am. Ask the cave man. The person when they cave supposed to see the cave. Come here, I'm free. How do you feel in cave?
Well, there's no trouble there, and we don't buy fuel. We don't need fuel. We don't buy all
You
the stuff.
see, reasons you should take me to that cave.
No.
So, have you two met each other before?
Yes, now. For
I don't-
traffic, this one is drive. This guy knows. In Yari, you spoil my car. And don't say no to me get the car.
Okay. Have you two greeted each other tonight?
Yeah.
We almost did.
You
Yes, now.
Okay, please, can you two nearly greet us here?
No, step man, not below that. Because we not get one particular girl where at the eye, in the eye hand. And the eye, two of our eye can't jump. We can't play for each other. So
Okay.
I said they get expensive. They're very expensive, yes. So I don't leave her
All
for
right,
them.
please, if you two should just calm down. I did not eat before coming here, so I don't have enough energy to laugh. So take it easy on me, right? Okay. The flute man, you're going to be doing something for us. I want you to make use of this your flute, like just in 30 seconds. Usher us into the show. Just do
There's
something.
nothing he can do that I cannot do.
Okay, it's a competition, right? Just do something. Let's say.
No matter what you do, I won't give you this my Oja to do.
I carry Oja
You
come.
have to do it with your own Oja. So this is Oja actually, and I play the flute too. So I like to refer to the instrument as Oja. It's Oja in German, it's Oja in Spanish, it's Oja in English.
Okay.
So today is Christopher Kibo's birthday, and I'd like to open the show this way, honoring his memory, because we use Oja in the Igbo culture to bring great spirit. Those who are still here and those who are gone. Maka na ndị Igbo na-asị na gboo na-abụ ka ọjọọ na-akpọ dịka ọkpọ ya na ndụ, ọkpọ ya na ndụ.
Chai. Chai.
Gboo na-abụ ka ọjọọ na-akpọ dịka
Igwe
ọkpọ ya na
must
ndụ,
hear
ọkpọ
this.
ya n'ọnwụ. And then a more uplifting tune.
Thank you very much for that. we still have time for you when we are ending the show. You will still perform more for us. But for this particular one that you did, thank you for doing it. And also for uplifting the soul of that man seated beside you. So let me start this conversation with you, MC for God. I was somewhere a few weeks ago and the person just walked up to me and said, "Hi, are you Rochelle? Yeah, I used to be MC for God, almost spot white." I said, "No, I don't know what you're talking about." Yeah, it's okay, please, I want to confirm something from you. Is it that MC for God is now a land agent or he's a realtor? So I want to find out from you. Why growing up, one day I woke up, I think I was on my way to school. I should still be in secondary school that time. I saw your posters littered everywhere, and all I saw was MC for God is running. I was like, who is this person? This person, okay. What do you mean by you are running? So there is nothing that you've not tried. You've tried to be a politician.
Hi.
If you're passing, is it Otiba or fire service? You will see his billboard. Yeah, I don't know if that billboard is still there, but you're going to see MC for God's face, plastered there, saying, "Come and buy your land." Meaning you are now an agent.
There's nothing I've not tried.
You are an MC, you are an OAP, currently with Dream FM, and you are also a master of ceremonies. So, can you tell us, now that you are here, who exactly is Martins Nebo?
Martins Nebo is from Enugu State, from Udi, Omabi, Ezike. Do you understand? The son of John Chijioke Nebo. Do you understand? A retired civil servant that saw a little bit of poverty, but I did not allow it to. Do you understand? So it's not a matter of so if I don't know if you are listening to me, say you poor. I'm sorry, but I'm trying to change the narrative. So that is who I am. I'm a politician that I contest the election, but let's not go there. I was deceived. And that was the end of it. So I never tried it again. And from there, I entered into movie, entertainment generally. I acted movie, I acted...
Yeah, I forgot the Professor Jambu.
Yeah, I acted Professor Jambu, the guy that sells recharge card in front of a nice sacrifice gate and all that. So, but before that, I think that was 2006, where the first thing I tried doing was wearing a Mickey Mouse. I think 2005.
Okay.
I was wearing Mickey Mouse, entertaining children. I couldn't... Why I stopped that character was what happened to me.
What happened?
Yeah, so as I was wearing the character, so Mickey Mouse head, the trouser, they get foam.
Okay.
So I was not playing with children. Ho, 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 ho. Hello, children. Ho, ho, ho. So I saw where two kids were gossiping. Papa here. One was telling him, "Yeah, I'm mad." I said, "I am more." I said, "I am mad." I said, "I am more." And they hear the gossip. I don't know their plan.
Okay.
After a while, I see where one go bring stick. I say, "I am mad. I am more." If I know it's happening for my knee, boom, I shout, "Hey, whoa, hey, whoa." I say, "I'm going to get not mad." I suffered that day. I hang but that day, I come out the head of Mickey Mouse. I hang her for 3.
I told yourself no more.
They find plug mango, they see human being. They find mango, they see human being. Since that day, I stopped Mickey Mouse work and I entered MC comedy. From there, I metamorphosed.
Move on.
Yeah,
just
I method into finding my metamorphosed. Yeah. So I now, what I mean in essence is that I grew over this. I now went into acting, comedy, being an influencer. So the person that said this saw me being a realtor, I'm an influencer because I identify with, before you tell me to influence anything for you, I will go verify first before I influence. So, and that's it. So I was influencing for that particular thing at that particular point in time, and all that. So that's it. So I'm seeing
It's all good. Just chill. I'll get back to you because lately you've been very busy. I see you everywhere. Are you still battling with that?
I'm on TV.
Okay, don't worry. After the show, you can continue. It's enough. Yeah, thank you very much. So, I've seen you lately doing so many things online, and it's because of an event that you got coming through. We'll talk about that. But before then, let's find out who our caveman is. Caveman, Please tell us your background.
You're taking this too far.
How am I taking it too far?
Well,
I'm super interested. See, let me tell you something. I'm adventurous. I'm an adventurous person, and I'm also spontaneous. So there are some things you would tell me, I would pick interest in, and once I pick interest, we must see to the end of that thing. So you see that cave? We are going there, maybe tonight or tomorrow. But before then, so tell me, who exactly is Gerald Eze, and how did you get into playing Oja and other instruments that you play?
I'm Gerald Eze, Mother Abuchi. When I was growing up, the name I was using was Abuchi. That's Mother Abuchi. And that is my Igbo name. And that's actually my name. And I got into secondary school or science college. It was compulsory that you use your baptismal name. And then I started using Gerald. But over time, all my documents became Gerald Eze, Gerald Eze. So I put the Mother Abuchi so that people don't forget that I was also named Mother Abuchi. But then Abuchi is a name that scares me because I was very stubborn as a child. So, each time you call me Abuchi, I will, have the shock. Abuchi! Yeah, I was either always, fighting or stepping out when my mom doesn't want me to step out. So when she returns and I'm in the neighbor's house, you hear Abuchi! And wherever, that shock. Anyway, but then my craft, I play Oja for a living. That's what I do in the cave. But I'm out now, no more in the cave.
Oh, you're no more in the cave.
Yeah, I'm out, and I'm really out. I'm out, and that's why I'm here live on Unka. And I'm taking my music to the world. I've been doing that, but this time looks more like I'm on a mission, and I'm very clear about this mission. To take the Oja to the people who own it, the Igbo people, and to move from the village square to the Madison Square. So it's to take that Oja also, to every part of the world. But it's starting here. And so I'm signed to Felborn Records, and Felborn Records is interested in indigenous music, but they're more interested in artists who understand indigenous musical instruments, because that's the future of the beats. That's the future of African music. That's the future of Afro beats. People want to see that instrument that has been sampled that you do in the studio.
Yeah, at this point, we even have a piano right now.
Right?
Yeah.
And you see what happened. The world accepted Oja piano. Brilliant music. So the oboe, I played the oboe, I played Une, I played Ngedelebu, I played the Oja. But then I also play the flute, I play the piano, I play the saxophone. And I'm a music teacher. I teach kids in my academy, Ichoku Academy. I teach children to sing Igbo folk music because that's where education is. I teach children to play Igbo musical instruments because they are Igbo. And when you play musical instruments that are from your culture, it will unlock something in you. And that is when you attain a certain level of awareness. And what is awareness if not knowing exactly why you came to Earth? Because going through Western education, a lot of us miss the point. By the time you get into Western education, primary school, secondary school, university, a lot of us miss the point even because we have gone through that process. Not that school is scam. School is very good. It's a socializing. It's a good environment for socialization. It's also a good environment for networking. But then I take music to schools, to secondary schools, to make children aware that they are Igbo without saying it. Because when you play the Oja, when you was like you say, Anamano, Anamano is, I hear your call. I hear that you called me to begin to do what I really came to life to do. So this is what I do with my music. And of course, I'm going to take it everywhere. It's coming to the clubs. It's coming to the art centers. It's coming everywhere possible. We had a show today at Center for Memories in Enugu, and it was brilliant.
Okay, so at what age did you start playing these instruments?
I started playing the Oja with my hands when I was in primary school.
Okay, are
I
you
was
serious?
about age 7 with my hands.
That's impressive.
I watched this movie, Omeka Nia, and that is an adaptation of Mike Ejaya's Omeka Agu.
Okay.
And in this movie, it's a story about same thing in Omekago. A father who denies the eldest child the right to his property. And this father prefers to give it to the second child. And in Igbo land, we do things in order. If any in them were so.
Yeah.
And then this man wanted to do this, and the elder said, "Look, this is an abomination. Don't do this." But then he went ahead and gave all the properties to the second son.
Okay.
And then the first son was so hot that he went, into the cave.
Okay.
And he was playing the opi.
Oh, okay. We're back to the cave again.
Yeah, we're back to the cave. And the Michael Giant story, it was Opimu Fubolu Momekago. But in this Nollywood movie, I don't know where to find that movie again because I've told the story in many places, but I can't find the movie. This movie is entitled Omekanaya. And in this movie, it was Oja. In fact, this Oja was immortal because the stepmother to this child burnt the Oja. And he was crying. And a maiden came out on the forest in the cave and still gave him the Oja,
Yeah, I just wish you have enough time, for you to tell us the story, but time, it's not really a friend.
Yeah, but that is when I started with my hands. And
Okay.
eventually I started, visiting people later in my secondary school and listening to Osman Malaika, Perikoma. And then my uncle was a Reverend Father Herbert, who is a Reverend Father,
Okay.
introduced me to Igbo music as a child. So all these were part of my formative experience.
Wow, that's a beautiful story. Okay, MC4 God, quickly you are going to be talking about jokes and jives. Yeah, we are aware of it.
Yeah.
And it seems like every day I wake up, I open my Instagram or WhatsApp, like I just see something that has to do with you. Like I keep seeing your face. I'm tired of seeing your face. Let me tell you right now. So tell us, what's up with jokes and jives? And have you ever, held this kind of show before?
Yeah, I have. That was 2015.
So after 2015, you waited for like how many years?
Not that I waited. Circumstances waited me. They say I will wear shoe, no way they teach them. So
Okay.
I was trying to go out of the way. Circumstances say no wait. So
Okay.
I waited till that time until Favor
Okay.
found me. So I'm favored to be doing this show because I came across somebody that said, okay, this guy, I think we need to invest in you, and that is Giants,
Okay.
So Giants Apartments and Giants Inc., so they saw me and say, no, we need to invest in this guy. So he decided to invest in me, and that is why we are doing Jokes and Jive. So Jokes and Jive is a premium comedy concert. Some people travel out of Enugu, go to Port Harcourt, go to Lagos to watch AY show.
To have live comedy shows
that
here.
kind of classic premium show. So, and I know that I have the quality and the brand to replicate such right here in the East. And Enugu State is like the hub of entertainment in Southeast.
Sure.
So, and there's no other place it could happen if not Enugu. So, we decided to invest heavily. So, if you check the lineup of the artists, you see that it's not Gordon's Berlusconi. Hallelujah. It's coming.
Okay.
Clean the Drunk is coming. The Woman Leader is coming. Arenze Baba, number one man in Port Harcourt, is coming. Forever, which is the wave of the moment now, is coming. This guy, Twin Parrots, Frances, MC Passion, that guy that does my titles, now my flatmates, MC Passion, he's coming. Osofia, Nine Sacrifice. So a lot of my Nollywood colleagues, will be there to support because they feel like this is happening right on our doormat of Gavon. So it's a premium comedy concert because if you look at the price of the tickets, you see that we try to make it curtail
to accommodate everybody.
No, not to accommodate everybody, to accommodate those that understand the value of what we are bringing on board. Do you understand? Premium table is 2 million naira. Executive table is 1.5. Seat on the table is 150,000. Regular is 6K. Do you understand? So it takes someone that understands the value of such premium concerts. They'll say, no. I can see the build up and I can even see the venue. That's the base landmark, to rent a hall there and be being. So when you want to do something premium, you have to spend money. Do you understand? So it came out of the hunger to actually give people a good time, time to laugh, time to forget their sorrow, and time not to for them to say they are traveling. The adventure and the experience, the exposure can be created around our environment.
So when are they getting all of this?
on this Sunday or next tomorrow, you know, so it's happening next tomorrow. The awareness has been heavy. That's why when you open your Instagram, we have billboard all over the state, everywhere. You know, and all that, you know, social media is heavy, it's popping heavy, you know, with jokes and jives with MC4 God, strongly powered by Giants Inc. You know, so this Sunday it's history.
So I hope you are not going to take another long break after this particular edition.
No.
So what are the plans, the future plans?
Next year.
Okay.
You know.
So it's going to be a yearly program henceforth.
As long by the special grace of God. You know.
Okay.
By the special grace of God.
All right. That's a great one. You know, because of time, I can't continue with this conversation. We've got other things that we usually do here on Enka. So let's move straight to giving you people our not so little and not so big surprise. I don't know if you two like surprises. Give man, if we should do surprises, you'll give anything. Is it paparampa people like party?
We have more fun than
oh, is that so? Really? Are you serious now? Bust my bubbles.
Why would they have fun? Imagine what they wear inside kids. Let them have fun.
Okay. Oh, you don't need company. Okay. I think we're going to be skipping that surprise part. Let's play games. Yeah, we're going to be playing one game here. It's called the impression game. So what the impression game is all about, you two are going to tell me who your favorite performers are, whether a musician, an actor, or a comedian. So I'll start with you, the Oja man. Who is your favorite performer?
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Took me unaware.
Okay.
I have a whole
just choose one. Our time is going.
Music. It will surprise you to know that the band used to be my favorite musician, and that effect has not left me.
Okay, the band, right? MC4 God who?
Gandoki. Do you know who they call Gandoki? He's still the funniest man in Africa.
All right, no problem. So you know what you two are going to be doing for me? In not less than 30 seconds, you are going to be mimicking the person you chose. So you chose the band, good and fine. He even dropped an album today. You chose Gandoki. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with you. You went first. So in 3, 2, 1, give us the band vibe here on the show.
I wish I had my harmonica. In fact, the band
no, continue. It's not up to 30
made me
seconds.
to learn harmonica.
Okay, go ahead.
You know, that was so much vibe. As kids will be, I mean, I was in secondary school then, so not kid.
Okay.
But, you know, we could be in the kitchen or anywhere, and then you hear the band on stage. You know, the jazz is somewhere with a staff. I'm running out.
Just the way that the band Fall in Love still remains my best song from the band. So MC4 God.
Okay, yeah. So I would have done Gandoki, but I like respecting a legend.
Okay, so what do you want to do?
That's Mistibu. I like respecting him, and I like to honor him anywhere I go. So he's the one that spawned me into movie acting and comedy movie acting.
You see your life. You can never be one place.
No, but it's true now.
Okay.
I didn't know you say mimic. So anytime you talk mimic, I like to honor him.
Okay, all right. So let's have it.
Yeah, so if he's Mistibu and you are here now, you know, he will tell you. You don't tell where they find you. I don't beg you, say beg me, I don't be hungry. I go spoil you. I think about that as well. But if you don't know, give me your number. I'll send you money later. Don't be say again now. And that's
Mistibu.
I like
of blessed memory. Yeah, but he's so keep resting in
peace. He my comic acting. This Mistibu, Sophia, and Osita Iheme. Sophia, Osita Iheme, and Mistibu. Or Sophia own. Hi, no, this could they shape. Okay, let me leave us off your own.
Yeah, on Sunday. We'll do that on Sunday. Okay, gentlemen, we've come to the end of the round of this show. This particular segment, we've come to the end. Ojaman, you're going to do something for us now. Like, I know you did an intro, but not now. Yeah, we're going to go on a short break. Then when we come back, you're going to be giving us a full performance here on Unka. I mean, what's the essence of having you here at this show? If not for you to bless us with your talents.
Thank you. I'll be happy to do that.
You'll be happy to do that. Okay, thank you, gentlemen. Though you people are not really gentle.
No, I am gentle. He's the rough guy.
Oh, he's
Cave person. Is that about cave before he came? He's not gentle. I'm gentle. I'm not supposed to fear you. You don't make mistakes. You wear clothes. And the wrong attire. My right is supposed to wear kissing. That kind of thing.
You see, I'm not talking back. I'm quiet.
You're quiet.
I'm just smiling. He's a rough guy.
It's a gentle talk.
Okay, I really had a good laugh on the show today. All because of the caliber of persons I have right here. You are making noise. Keep quiet.
They dress like you.
Okay, so today I had the very popular MC4 God. His real name is Martin's Nebu. Let me tell you people, that's his name. Martin's Nebu. And of course, Gerald Madu Aburochi, right? Or Madabuchi. Madabuchi Eze, the Oja man himself.
Ogbu-Oja
here
Eze.
with me. Ogbu-Oja.
Eze.
Don't mind me. I'm trying to, finalize it and put it in the Gen Z way.
I'm on
The
word.
Oja man. So Ogbu-Oja. Pardon me, Ogbu-Oja. Yeah. So Ogbu-Oja is here with me on Unka. We've not come to the end of the show because we've got a live performance by the Ogbu-Oja Eze. My name still remains Rochelle, and this way I'm going to be saying goodbye for this week. Next week is going to be another week for us to continue with telling you the beautiful story of 042 as well as bringing you premium entertainment right here on Unka. Make sure you have yourself a fantabulous weekend. I always say this every weekend. And, for you to have yourself a great weekend, we are doing what we are doing here. And your man, he will help to cement it. So stick around for the live performance.
Eji m ọja ekene ụmụ Igbo. Eji m ọja ekene ụmụ ụwa. I salute the great Igbo people with my ọja. I salute them in their different endeavors. Maka na ife onye na-eme ka ọja na-akpọ. I salute those who teach. I salute those who do business. I salute those who instruct children in different schools. I salute the leaders. I salute the thinkers. Ọja na-akpọ mmadụ nwoke teghete maka na iteghete na ala Igbo pụta na eburugo akwa akwụrụ. Ọ ndị tozuru etozu, ndị na-emeta obodo mma maka na akara aka ọbụla Chukwu nyere onye Igbo. Whatever talent you are gifted with as an Igbo person is for the good of the community. And that is why in the days of yore, we salute the Ezeji because in his work as a farmer, the community benefits. And it is left for us today to understand this and key in our modern professions as doctors, as pharmacists, as lawyers, as writers, to maintain that culture of communality. And my Oja is calling us to rise as a people, to rise and be communal. Igbo culture, we use music as entertainment. But that entertainment is not art for art's sake. It's education. And so I'm going to sing this song, Omalugo. And then the next song I'll be paying tribute to Onyekonwenu. Onyekonwenu was a legend and she blessed us with good music. And now that she's gone, her memory lives on and she's here with us. And this song also speaks of the memories of all those who died during the Biafran War and all those of us who have lost our dear ones. They will be consoled.